Welcome to our video. Today we're going to look at new features that they have in WordPress on your local sites and on websites that they have hosting for WordPress, but not necessarily on WordPress.com. So this is local WordPress. LocalWP.com is where you get it and download it and install it on your computer. We're running this and we're going to add a new site by clicking here. And we're going to click continue, and we're going to call this auto. And we're going to use custom so you can see what choices you have for setting up your site. I'm going to choose the newest version of PHP that they have. I'm going to choose Apache for the web server, although I have not found any difference between Apache and Nginx. And the database, I'm going to choose MySQL just because I'm most familiar with it. And then I'm going to click continue. And now to set this up, I have to add a WordPress username for the administrator. I'm going to call this admin since it's on a local machine, and password. And I'm going to put in my email address just in case. I'm not going to select any advanced options, and I'm going to click on Add Site. So it sets up and configures the PHP, the web space, and the MySQL, and it gets all those things started from one control panel. It downloads the WordPress, the most current WordPress install, and installs it on that particular space on local WP. Now it says, do we want to make this, allow this app to make changes to your device? What it's doing is it's setting up so that your web browser can find the local website that we just created. So now it's downloading WordPress. It's installing WordPress. Pretty nice for one click. And we're just waiting for it to finish doing all its background stuff. So you can get this program by going to localwp.com. It's a free install. It's provided for you by one of the many companies that does WordPress website hosting. So it's a pretty nice deal. They give this away for free. So it starts up the website for us, and I'm going to go into the WordPress administrator panel. Something went wrong. Quite strange. Okay, here we are working again at last. So this is the administrator password for the local install of WordPress that we're working with. That is my password manager. Called LastPass. And we're going to come over here to the left side and we're going to look at plugins first of all. I'm going to click on installed plugins, and there are none. So I'm going to add a new plugin. And I'm going to install Classic Editor. And I'm going to install Jetpack. So that now we have 2 plugins installed on our system. What is taking it so long? There we go. So I'm going to go back to installed plugins. And now we see that for each plugin that we have a link on the right side that says enable auto updates. And we also have bulk actions here that if I tag all the plugins, I can enable auto updates to all the plugins at the same time now by just clicking on apply. And now they're all enabled. Now the other thing is under appearance, under themes, we notice we have 3 themes installed on our website. And if I click on any of the themes, we have a choice in here of saying enable auto updates. So I'm going to do that for that theme, and there's little arrows to jump between all the themes that you have installed. And I'm going to jump to the second theme, and I'm going to enable that, and jump to the third theme and enable that. So now all my themes are automatically going to update. And lastly, what we need to do is on the updates page itself, and this is the way it automatically installs WordPress with this turned on. You could switch it off so that it only does the security updates. But I recommend looking at this and making sure that you are automatically up to date with any new version of WordPress, because it gives you less tedious work that you have to do on a daily basis. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and any questions or comments, leave them below the video here. There's a place on YouTube to do that. I'm sure you're all well aware of that. So leave me a comment if you like it, if you don't like it, and we will try to improve as time goes on. Subscribe to the channel if you want to be automatically updated of any new videos that I post. And I will see you on the next video. Take care.